Hi, in this video we're going to look into some of the textile paints that is available at skillsupplies.com. In general, there are a couple of types of textile paints from a company called Secruel in Germany, and the brand name is called Joanna. There are 4 types of textile paint, a couple of them meant for dark fabric, a couple of them meant for light fabric. So first of all, I'll look into the dark fabric, that is Joanna opaque. This is Joanna opaque, and this is basically meant for dark fabrics. Then we have Joanna Sunny, which is meant for light fabrics. Then we have Joanna glitter, which is an effect paint suitable for both dark and light fabric. And then metallics. Metallics are also suitable for both dark and light fabrics. They are effect paints. In metallics, the mica particles are more evenly distributed, so you get kind of a metallic effect, whereas in glitters you basically have a twinkling effect. They come in different sizes. They come in 20 ml, 50 ml, and even in tubes. This tube size is 29 ml, and it has a thin nozzle on the top where you are able to press and draw directly on the fabric. All the Joanna colors are fixed by heat, so you basically need to use iron box to fix these colors on, and then it can be done on cotton fiber. Maximum mix of synthetic can be up to 20%, and it can be washed in a washing machine up to 40 degrees Celsius. The only thing we recommend is always wash it inside out. And we'll see some of the demos of how to use these colors using normally or with stencils in a while. Welcome back, and this is just a brief of things that you'll require before you start any textile painting project. And there will be basically the textile, of course, a brush. A brush can be any hard bristle brush that you can use for acrylic or oil painting. Generally the soft bristles don't work with Joanna paints because they are quite viscous. Other than that, you require a bowl of water because all the Joanna paints are water based and water soluble. Clean water is what we will require to clean all the Joanna textile paints. Otherwise, it mixes the water mixes with the paint and makes it dilute, so it has a tendency to seep more compared to the normal paint from the bottle. Let's get into details of these paints now. The Joanna opaque paints are pretty much viscous, and they don't show through, and they're meant for dark fabrics, whereas Joanna Sunny are a bit runny compared to opaque, and they cover more area, and they are sort of transparent, so you have to check on the base before you start painting, because sometimes the base will have an effect on the final color or the final result of your drawing or painting. And of course, Joanna glitter and metallics are thick enough like opaque, and they are not affected by the base color. So let's do a little bit of painting, and contrary to normal belief, you probably won't require a frame to stretch your cloth before painting, because they are viscous and they don't have tendency to spread on the cloth. Also make sure that you keep a sort of a white sheet or any rough sheet below your textile, so that the paints don't seep inside and stain the other side of the textile. So let me start with Joanna Sunny color, and I am taking magenta. So I'll just paint it here, and as you can see, the stroke remain in the painted area. They don't kind of spread, and you can get a very fine line, or nice edge for your designs, even without stencils. So let me do it on a yellow cloth. So as you can see, the color sort of changes to red. This is because these colors are transparent, and the background plays a role on the final output of the color. The same thing if you do it on a dark fabric like navy blue. Don't see them because they're transparent. So Sunny is not meant for dark fabrics. Now let's see the property of opaque. So here you can see it is coming out nicely on dark fabrics. Depending on the coat, you may see a little bit of the background. It will not be like the vinyls that are stuck to the fabric, but yes, you can always make out your designs, and from a distance probably you won't be able to see any background whatsoever. Let me use it on red and show you. Now let's see the behavior of metallic color and the glitters. Later on I'll zoom in and I'll show you how these colors look, the glitters and metallic. But as you can see, these colors are pretty much opaque on almost any surface. And let me use some metallic. I think metallics are the most opaque ones. It works equally well on everything, all the colors. So as far as colors and the utility on dark and light fabric, this is pretty much it. Let's see some techniques related to stencils. I'll be back with the stencils. Now we have prepared the textile with the stencils. I must tell you that all the Joanna colors are stencil compatible, so let me just show you that. Let me use Textile Sunny here. These stencils you can buy from our website. They're disposable stencils, which is one time use and throw. Then let me use glitter on the yellow. Put a double coat if you want it to be thick and more opaque. After it dries, it becomes slightly more opaque than normally what you see while painting. And I'll use copper on navy blue. I'll let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes so that they are touch dry. Already been probably 2 to 3 minutes. Let me just peel these stencils off. And you can see the nice colors of blue, similarly the metallics. So I'll get back to show you how to fix these colors. Welcome back. Leave this design for almost an hour, or use hair dry. Make sure that it is touch dry. After that, once you are sure that it is dry enough, first thing is you reverse this and iron on with cotton settings. You require almost like 2 to 3 minutes of ironing on the back side before you can consider it fixed. After fixing, it can be washed up to 40 degrees in a washing machine. And then on the front side, as you can see, that these designs are heat proof. And other thing which I'd like to show you is they're totally supple. They don't break. The high quality. Nothing happens to these designs. You can fold them and it is sort of screen print on your clothing. They're totally supple. They don't feel different when you touch around, or there's no way that you will feel the difference when you close your eyes and touch around a painted surface. So that's the best part of Joanna paints. They are like almost like screen print, whether they are opaque, whether they are sunny. Any paint is very much like a textile print once you have painted. So there are other videos related to how to use stencils and more, so you can watch them, and happy painting. Thank you.